Hello, and welcome, my fellow outlaws, to Red X Steals the Show, issue number 10. Today, we'll be reviewing this Batman DC Multiverse Jace Fox. Let's go. So, let's open it up. Check it out. Here. That didn't work. Here. Comes with a hero card and a stand. McFarlane put the cape through the back on this one. Just warning you, in case you care. Just in case you're like me and you don't want to ruin it, you want to take your time getting these action figures out, just so they don't get ruined. There we go. Now he's out. Put him up on this stand. Then we can review some of the stuff that he's got in here. So, he's got what appears to be a batarang. They're taped in there, so you gotta untape that. Then you can put a batarang in his hand. That brings me on to the other part of his review. The replaceable hands. Getting that one off wasn't too hard. Hope I get the right one here. So this is the right hand. And of course I pulled out the left hand. So I mean technically you can make a guy with two left hands instead of two left feet. So the exchangeable hands are rather easy to exchange. I thought it'd be harder than that, but nope. Rather easy. You can fit this in here, and then you can put them like on a shelf. They look pretty cool. You can exchange the hands, so one fist can be closed like this, and one fist can be throwing a batarang. So, all in all, he's a pretty cool little guy. I do like Jace Fox. He is one of my favorite Batmen. So I love the face guard. Keeps you from getting hit in the face. That was one of the things that always failed about Bruce Wayne's cowl. Was it didn't cover the face. It wasn't a helmet, but Jace Fox does. He's got two little frills on his gauntlets instead of the traditional 3 when it comes to Batman, but that's part of his costume, so I'm glad they only added the 2. He's got nice shoulder pads. The shoulder pads appear to be put on separate from the rest of the Batman here, and he's all around it. Pretty good little action figure here. Nice 7-inch McFarlane action figure. So if you guys are interested and you feel as though you want to pick one of these guys up, I'd recommend it. I've been wanting this little guy for a while, so I decided to pick him up. And yeah, so if you want to pick him up, I definitely recommend doing so, because he's a pretty cool little action figure. And with that, that's going to be the end of today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.